Hello my dears, hello my YouTubers, Natalia with you. Welcome to this channel about Belarus, and I continue my vloggings from wonderful, incredible place in northern Belarus. First of all, I want to thank you for your words, for your inspiration for me, because it's so important. It makes me feel that you need it, and of course I will continue to feel more and more for you. Stay active, it is so important for me. This weekend I spent with my friends whom I invited from Minsk. There was a company of girls and we enjoyed our time here. We were swimming, drinking champagne, eating good food, and I decided to share our moments with you. Stay tuned to the end, it will be interesting because you will know which brilliant idea popped up in my mind after this weekend. Let's start! So evening in this beautiful place, finally my girls came here and we were swimming right now. You can see the sunset and fish, some salads. What do we have here? Buckwheat. Awesome. Oh my dears, I had a wonderful day today and it's evening. We have banya. We jump into this lake. I'm sorry, I will not show you my girls because they do it without any clothes. Sorry. I'm a chef today. I cook shashliki. I will show you right now. So we're gonna have a meat party. It's warm outside and we enjoy our company, we enjoy everything. I made a yummy tea. I hope that you enjoy this video as well. Good morning my dears. Yesterday I didn't film our dinner for you, but I want to share our morning. We have breakfast here on the lake and bloggers at work. Ангелишка, сырнички. Катюшка. Тори.
Ты прилетела, да?
My breakfast. Oh, Julia! The main part of our breakfast is here. Супер!
Праздник продолжается.
Юля, это гениальная идея. You are genius, my friend. Part of our breakfast in this place. We can't even start eating because it's so beautiful over here. So we cooked, I hope that it is a delicious lunch for my girls who visited me in this wonderful place, like a paradise, and we spent this weekend together. We're enjoying everything, and oh my god. It's kind of a gastro tour, so if you come to Belarus, I can definitely organize something like that. We call it солянка. Can you see it? Так, смотри, Леночка. And to have such a great lunch on the bank of this lake, it is becoming something like a natural for us, you know. That's why I'm saying that it's better to live in a village rather than in the city. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Leave your comments down below this video about this video episode. Ask me your questions. What would you like to see in my videos, in my coming videos? Be active.
Его разрезать.
Если ты,
Конечно, его
если
нужно
ты не будешь
разрезать.
мешать нам есть, то
Не,
можно.
вообще ни разу. Катюша, tell me,
Даже
is it
запрещать,
yummy
не
or
мешать,
not?
запрещать.
Yummy. So I can organize a gastro tour. It would be
It will be amazing.
super.
Don't take your scares with you.
Все вкусное?
Перфекто.
You can organize and gastro tours and
Это что-то типа
marriage agency.
Супер. Ой, I love my friends.
Two business ideas for you.
Yeah, definitely.
Mutual.
Yeah.
Guys, it's
That's
so
awesome.
delicious. You can never try something like that in another place. So come to Belarus. This is a true paradise.
Come to Natasha.
Hello guys. I decided to just to show you part of my activities over here, and yes, really, all this lake is ours, and I enjoy the time over here, and we love subboarding and so on. So you see, we can find lots of activities here in Belarus. Come to Belarus. Cheers.
Сыры 6 по 10. Это корова коза.
So I
Есть молока.
took my girls to Kraina Mar, this place with craft cheeses, and now they will degustate all
Да,
that.
там полтора кусочка. Белпер.
Та-да-дам.
Один из любимых Наташки.
Самое вкусное.
Да, вот это
Они как шарики.
You can see we have a variety of choice here. And
С Марином. Обожаю. Шарики.
Здравствуйте.
Шарики однозначно. Да.
of course, these cheeses are much better than you buy in an ordinary supermarket. They are a bit expensive, but no comparison with the rest of Europe or America or something like that. So guys, if you want to try them, call me or drop me a line and I will take you to this place. Как, девочки, сыры расскажите?
Подобно.
Вкусно, вкусно?
Очень.
Хорошая.
Так, по кусочку
Очень,
каждого и поужинали.
Уже мы как бы не то что поужинаем, уже.
Так, а ну улыбнулись.
So, did you hear the idea about marriage agency? What do you think about it? I need your comments below this video. Of course, I'm not ready for this project right now, but I have knowledge and my background in this topic. I have an experience of my former tourist guests and so on. I have a lot to share with you and guide you in this topic. If you need it, let me know and I will prepare a series of such videos especially for you, because I work for you on this channel. And if you think that you like this content, don't forget that you have an option to buy me a cup of coffee and I will be very grateful to you. Stay on the channel, see you in my next videos, and don't forget to subscribe, my dears. Пока!